Story writing competition, category 1. First place goes to Sudeksha Kochi. Here comes the poetry writing competition, age category 1. First place goes to Mina Kuriakos. Mina Kuriakos. Poetry writing competition, category 1. Second place goes to Sonia Warrior. Sonia Warrior. Poetry writing competition, category 1. Third place goes to Anaka Sandeep. Anaka Sandeep. I would request all of you to run to the stage. There is no prize for the running competition, but still please run to the stage. Mr. Raj Kurup, if you are here among the audience, please come on to the stage. Mr. Raj Kurup, please come on to the stage. I don't know what it is for, but please come to the stage. Poetry writing competition, age category 2, first place, Joanna Shaju. Joanna, first place, poetry writing, age category 2. Poetry writing, category 2, second place goes to Kaushik Murali. Kaushik Murali. Please encourage all these young kids, young talents. Bhuvanesh is receiving for Kaushik. Poetry writing competition, category 2, third place goes to Vikram Nambiar. Vikram Nambiar. Poetry writing competition, now comes the category 3. If Vikram Nambiar is here, please come on to the stage at the earliest. Poetry writing competition, category 3, first place, Sunu Koshi. Sunu Koshi. Poetry writing competition, age category 3, second place goes to Harika Payu. Harika Payu. Poetry writing, category 3, third place, Xavier Palathingal. Xavier Palathingal. Essay writing competition, category 1, first place goes to Joseph C. Rajiv. Joseph C. Rajiv. Essay writing, category 1, second place, Kavya Sriram. Kavya Sriram. Essay writing, category 1, third place, Sonia Warrior. Sonia Warrior. Kavya Sriram and Sonia Warrior, please come on to the stage. Kids, please come on to the stage. I'm going to call upon the next category. Essay writing competition, age category 2. First place goes to Joel Thomas. Essay writing, category 2. First prize goes to Joel Thomas. Second place goes to Sandra Sandeep. Sandra Sandeep. Essay writing, category 2. Second place, Sandra Sandeep. Essay writing, category 2. Third place goes to Anchita Waril. Essay writing, category 3, first place goes to Sunu Koshi. Category 3, essay writing, Sunu Koshi, first place. Essay writing, category 3, second place, Xavier Palathingal. Category 3, essay writing, third place, Stacy Matthew. Stacy Matthew. Stage. Give all of these talents, young talents, a big hand of applause. With this, we come to the end of the first round of prize distribution. We will be giving the prizes for today's competition, all performing arts, including dances and songs.
Please welcome contestants 4154, 4155 and 4151. Judge 4.
വളരെ നല്ല അവൻ്റെ ഉമ്മാൻ്റെ ഗർഭപാത്രത്തിൽ നിന്നാണല്ലോ പൊക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്.
Question is, what do you value most in others? What do you value most in others?
Did you hear the question?
Yeah. Namaskaram. Yeah. Actually, I value everything in others. Their good behavior, their good thoughts. That's all. Yeah, thank you.
Contestant number 4155. Judge number 3.
Hi. My question is, what do you think is the biggest challenge in Kerala?
The biggest challenge in Kerala, I think, right now is religious extremism. ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം നാടായ കേരളത്തിൽ ഇപ്പം എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രയാസം തോന്നിയിട്ടുള്ള ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ പേരിലാണ് പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. ഹിന്ദുവും ക്രിസ്ത്യാനിയും മുസൽമാനും സോദരത്തേന വാണിരുന്ന കേരളം ഇന്നൊരു മത തീവ്രവാദത്തിൻ്റെ പാതയിലാണ് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ കേരളീയർക്ക് എന്നും രാവിലെ മൈക്കിൽ കൂടെ ഒഴുകി വരുന്ന സുപ്രഭാതം കേട്ടും ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള ബാങ്കുവിളി മലയാളിക്ക് എന്നും സംഗീതമായിരുന്നു. അത് അവരുടെ ദൈനംദിന ജീവിതത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിരുന്നു. ഏത് മതസ്ഥനായിരുന്നാലും പല കാലങ്ങളിലും യഹൂദര് പല ലോകത്തിന്റെ എമ്പാടുമുള്ള സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ നിഷ്കാസിതമായിരുന്ന കാലത്ത് കേരളത്തിൽ അവരെ വിളിച്ചു വരുത്തി അവർക്കൊരു സിനഗോഗ് പണിയാൻ വരെ സൗകര്യം ഒരുക്കി കൊടുത്തതാണ് കൊച്ചി രാജവംശം. അവരുടെ ശാപത്ത് ദിനം അവർക്ക് ഒഴിവ് ദിനമായി കൽപ്പിച്ചു കൊടുത്തിരുന്നു സർക്കാർ. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള കേരളത്തിൽ എന്നും മറ്റുള്ള മതങ്ങളുടെയും സംസ്കാരങ്ങളുടെയും നല്ല രീതികൾ എന്നും സ്വാംശീകരിച്ചിരുന്ന കേരളത്തിൽ ഇന്ന് മത തീവ്രവാദം അഴിഞ്ഞാടുന്നു. കമ്മ്യൂണൽ വയലൻസ്, that's something that that is a hurdle to our progress, and I think that is the biggest challenge in Kerala right now. Thank you.
Good evening. These days we're hearing a lot about going green. Do you have any opinion about this? Thank you for asking me that question. I'm going to talk in English because my Malayalam is not so great. I think going green is absolutely wonderful. In this century, we have seen global warming, and all of us have to be aware of going green. Not using paper too much. Like I know in offices we use paper so lavishly. We do things so lavishly. We use electricity all the time. We use air conditioning. All this is because of our plants. And plants are the only one thing which we have for to control pollution actually. So if we cut down plants to use for other purposes and make buildings or use plants for making other materials, then we will be living in a very polluted world. And also we have seen there's a marked increase in cancer around the world, and if we are not able to do something in advance to control the pollution and save our trees, then I think we all are going to die very soon. So looking at our kids, the future of our kids, we need to be very careful and absolutely agree with the fact going green is what we have to do. And I hope everybody who is in this room will agree with me in that if we can go green, at least to a certain extent from every family, I think we can prevent a lot of pollution and we can have trees, and we can breathe better. Thank you very much.
Invite Teji Manalil and Suresh Raj to please come on stage to give away the prizes for Kala Tilakam and Kala Pradibha. Kala Tilakam prize is sponsored by Ashraf Khalid. First, we can announce the Kala Pradibha. Any guesses? The winner is Joel Thomas. KGW 2010 Kala Pradibha, Joel Thomas. Thank you, Suresh. Next we have the Kala Tilakam. And the winner is Kalyani Radha Pillai. Big round of applause, please, to both the winners. Thank you, Teji, for the prize. There will be a prize for Little Prince and Princess, a crown and a tiara. Also, all the kids who participated in the Little Prince Princess going to get a medal each from KGW, just to support their spirit. Because they are all kids, we want to support them, we want to motivate their spirit. So everybody is going to get a medal from KGW.
I bet we're all anxious to know who the winners are of the Prince and Princess, aren't we, Andrew? Yes. Aren't we? Let's call all the contestants. Yep, all of them. Come on now. All the contestants of Prince and Princess. All of it. Is Tessa Joseph. The princess is Tessa Joseph.
Give these kids a big hand of applause. We are also giving everybody a medal from KGW to support their spirit and boost their spirit.
Time to announce the Kerala Queen. So, the participants, please come onto the stage. Shobha Madhavan, Shilpa Pramod and Nurin Mani. Please come onto the stage. Okay, first we are going to announce the second runner-up. Any guesses? Okay, the second runner-up is Shobha Madhavan.
You cannot fight me anymore.
Okay, now I am announcing the Kerala Queen of 2010. It's Nurin Mani. And the first runner-up is Shilpa Pramod.
Give these young ladies a big hand of applause. They came forward to participate in the Kerala Queen. A lot of them had questions. We are going to perform in front of a huge audience. But ultimately they came forward, they participated in a very good spirit, and give them a big hand of applause. Thank you very much.